Welcome again. Dear students, Chapter 2 New Kings and Kingdoms is continued. And next topic Warfare for Wealth is to be discussed. In this context, we know about tripartite struggle to control over Kannauj. We can say three-party struggle to control over Kannauj and other important historical facts. So let's consider who were the parties involved in the three-party struggle. The parties involved in this struggle were Gurjar Pratihar, Rashtrakoot and Pala's rulers. And in this reference, there is a normal question that why did these rulers want to control over Kannauj and the Ganga Valley? Actually, Kannauj was prized area. Politically and economically, this area was considered special effective. So these rulers wanted to control Kannauj and the Ganga Valley. Dear students, we find many rulers targeted temples. Why did rulers target temples? Rulers often targeted temples to get much of the wealth, as many temples were extremely rich. And the next context is about the Mahmud Ghaznavi, who was Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni. Mahmud Ghaznavi was ruler of Ghazni, Afghanistan. He ruled from 997 to 1030 AD and extended control over the parts of Central Asia, Iran and the northwestern part of the subcontinent. He plundered India 17 times between 1000 to 1027 AD. And we can ask that which prominent temple was targeted by Mahmud Ghazni. The temple of Somnath in Gujarat was targeted by Mahmud Ghazni. And in this reference, it is very necessary to know that who opposed Chahmanaz. Who opposed Chahmanaz? Chalukyas of Gujarat and Garhwals of western Uttar Pradesh opposed Chahmanaz because Chahmanaz attempted to expand their control. And there is a very important question: who was the best known Chahmana ruler? We can put up when and by whom was Sultan Mahmud defeated. Students, Prithviraj Chauhan was known as Prithviraj III, ruled from 1168 to 1192 AD. popularly known Prithviraj Chauhan. He defeated Afghan ruler Sultan Mahmud Ghori in 1191. But next year, in 1192, at the Second Battle of Tarai, Ghori defeated Prithviraj. So we have discussed very important context from this topic, and in this concern from this topic, let's discuss some key words. Sultan. Sultan means ruler. Sultan is an Arabic term or words. Second, raided. Raided means attacked. Warfare. Warfare means conflict or fighting. And Al-Biruni. We can say Al-Baruni. Who was Al-Baruni? Al-Baruni was Iranian scholar. We can say he was a historian. Sultan Mahmud Ghazni entrusted him to write an account of the Indian subcontinent. Next word, Kitab al-Hind. Kitab al-Hind was a historical Arabic account. We can say a historical Arabic account of Indian subcontinent written by Al-Baruni. And Chahmanaz. Who were Chahmanaz? Chahmanaz means Chauhan kings, Chauhan rulers who ruled over the region around Delhi and Ajmer. So, we have discussed this topic, warfare for wealth. Thanks.